How to strengthen your brand's immunity in a lockdown. Today, all entrepreneurs and corporate executives have learned one crucial lesson: the importance of crisis planning. With a crisis plan in place, you will be in a better position to answer two key questions. Is your brand strong enough to withstand the highs and lows of market fluctuations? Can you increase its immunity at a time like this? You see, robust brands are built on firm values. However, they should also have the flexibility to adapt to changing conditions, including emergencies. Today, we're fighting an unprecedented battle of survival. Businesses globally are under threat as markets come to a standstill. The few that are still operating have had to operate at significantly reduced capacity, a situation that is still hurting their bottom line. Most business owners and managers are asking themselves, will my brand survive and thrive in the current climate? Well, if you have a crisis plan and a business continuity roadmap, then yes, your brand has a fighting chance, which is all you need to survive. How safe is your brand? Well, this again depends on your level of preparedness. From a communications agency's perspective, how you communicate with your target audience during a crisis is very important. During a crisis, agencies need to re-examine their communication strategies to make sure they are aligned with what is going on in the market. Communications teams need to formulate well-thought-out solutions for brands to keep their consumers engaged while remaining sensitive and mindful. Put on a human face. This is important because it allows your brand to bring its human values to the forefront. Your messaging needs to be sensitive. A crisis such as the one we are in right now affects everyone, both businesses and consumers. And both target groups have families. And since your business pretty much relies on customers, your concern for humanity should, therefore, come before commercial interests. Then again, to make sure your message is heard, always work with your media friends. Get them on your side. This is the perfect time to build a real connection with your consumers. Show them that they have your support. Use your social media platforms to spread positivity, compassion, and care. Sharing motivational messages, stay at home and work from home tips will keep your customers engaged. For example, your beauty clients can go create and share skincare tips, facial treatments, detox diets, etc. The bottom line is, whatever you do, take the sensitive approach when you are making your pitch. This is a time to make friends. Greed has no place in our society in times like this. Make good use of technology. The current crisis has shown how technology can be used to navigate a tough situation and keep businesses running. At a time when people have been advised to stay and work from home, innovations such as Zoom have really come in handy. Video conferencing may lack that human touch, but you can always make them more exciting. It could be coffee and snacks on either side of the screen. Or how about you send them a virtual breakfast gift card? This would be a nice way to support local businesses. The truth is that the next few months will be challenging. However, you need to change your strategy by making adjustments to what you say or do. Talk to your clients and ask them how you can help them navigate this crisis. Times are tough. And companies who work smarter and from the heart will tend to survive and thrive. Are you one of them?